Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the reflector style and stabilizing the bike. This matters because removal methods differ. Once the bike is steady, use a quick inspection to locate screws, clips, or a center nut. You should apply a drop of lubricant to any rusty fastener before touching it. Then take the appropriate tool, Allen key for recessed bolts, screwdriver for visible screws, wrench for nuts, and begin turning counterclockwise with moderate, steady force. Once the fastener is loosened, make sure to support the reflector so it doesn't fall and scratch the rim or spokes. If you have clips, press the release tab and slide the reflector free. If they are brittle, pry slowly to avoid cracking. For bolt-through designs, hold the opposite nut with a wrench while you turn the bolt. This prevents spinning and potential rounding. If threads bind, apply more lubricant and let it sit for a minute, then continue turning steadily. You finish by cleaning the mounting area and examining the reflector and hardware for damage. Replace any stripped screws or cracked clips before reinstallation. If the piece won't budge, try a short burst of heat for 10 to 15 seconds or apply penetrating oil and weight. These techniques loosen corrosion without force. Make sure to test fit replacement parts and torque fasteners snugly. Once done, double-check alignment so the reflector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.